Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hi, Nexo, and welcome to this writing lesson. Today, we review nationalities, languages, personal pronouns, and the verb to be through writing.
Great, Emma. I am ready to write.
First activity. Listen and write. You will hear a short text and write the words you hear. Second activity. Make a sentence. You will use given words to create your own simple sentences.
Writing helps me see the words clearly.
Exactly. So take your pen or keyboard and begin with listen and write. Listen and write. This is a dictation activity. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
I will listen carefully and write slowly.
Step 1. Listen to the whole text first, so you understand the general idea. Step 2. Write what you hear during the dictation, word by word. Step 3. Check and correct by comparing your writing with the original text. Do not worry about perfect spelling the first time.
I can write first and correct later.
Good. Now listen to the full text before the dictation. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm Mexican, and my friend Leo is Canadian. We are in English class today. He is happy, but he isn't late. Our teacher is British. She says we are ready. We write short sentences. They are simple, and they help us learn. Now I will read the text slowly, in small parts. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let's start the dictation. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm Mexican. And my friend Leo is Canadian. We are in English class today. He is happy. But he isn't late. Our teacher is British. She says, we are ready. We write short sentences. They are simple. And they help us learn. Well done, everyone. The dictation is finished. Nexo, how was it for you?
It was good, but some words were fast.
That is normal. And now you can compare your writing with the original text and correct mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we will build 6 sentences, 1 sentence for each main word. You can use 20 helper words and try to use pronouns with am, is, and are.
So I write simple sentences like I am Mexican or she is British.
First, see an example, because Nexo will do the exercise, so you know what to write. Second, make your sentences using the main words and the helper words. Keep the sentences short and clear. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready to make sentences. American. She is American. Mexican. I am Mexican. British. He is British. English. We are in English class. They are Spanish students. French. You are French.
Excellent work, Nexo.
Thank you, Emma. My sentences are simple.
Now it is your turn, so pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You practiced writing with nationalities, languages, pronouns, and the verb to be. Keep your sentences and review your corrections after class. See you in the next writing lesson.